So how much money do our clients make from our design? Shout out architect James Perry and his book Architect and Developer is the blueprint for this. For starters, the phase zero, value. For an architect in the Philippines even draw a single line, the developer had already made the big decision that create 80 to 90% of a project's total value. For typical speculative project, they are underwriting for a 25% profit margin. Honestly, okay na yan. And for rental premiums design, really moves the needle. I've seen better designed units command 30,000 pesos more in rent every single month than the owner originally anticipated. That's pure profit generated solely by the value of a good design. But guys, here's the truth. Our clients aren't just paying for a service, they are profiting from the intellectual property we create while we work for a fixed fee. That's the value of our design. So is it expensive or is it valuable? Follow for more conversation like this.